Hey everyone, I am Nate, and we have someone else to introduce on the video introduction now.
Well, I'm Abby, and Popeye is at home, but this is baby Amelia Saylor, and she is now an official RC Sailor. So let's all welcome her to our RC family. Say hi, baby. Say hi.
She made a very surprise and unexpected
And 3 week early entrance
entrance.
into this world last night.
And that is why you did not see a video last night.
And we had so many more plans and things of stuff to get done and get ahead on videos, and we're not ahead at all. We have some things filmed, but they're not edited and they're not uploaded.
So to give you guys a rough idea of what's going to happen, I have about 5 or 6 videos already recorded. So the next 5 or 6 RC videos that you see on the channel, which might be a week or so from now,
I'll be pregnant still.
yes, and baby Amelia won't be in those, but then the next time she is in one, that'll be back up to real time.
Yeah, we'll try to keep you updated when like text or something on the video. We'll try our best to keep you updated with everything.
Anyway,
And follow us on social media. Go over to Facebook and like us at TheRcSaylors on Facebook, and that's maybe Instagram. And then if you really want to follow us, then go on over to Patreon, which is not going to be linked down below because we're doing all this from the hospital from a phone. So patreon.com/TheRcSaylors.
so we just wanted to let you guys know she is in the world.
Get a good shot of her little face for him.
She's happy and healthy.
Look at that hair. She looks like her mommy with her hair.
We couldn't wait to share her with you guys. We'll talk a lot more in the future and upcoming videos. We're going to be in the hospital for a couple days.
Don't pull the cord. She's pulling the cord.
Unedited raw video for you guys.
Say, well, thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.